Buster has been asked to do some advertising for a well-known compact car company. Oh, Porsche Design Driver's Selection. Now, Karen's muttering in the other room. We don't know why, because we found Buster in a bag. Now, Buster in a bag is our new promotion. Stop growling, Buster. Buster is a very nice cat, but he can be aggressive. Now, Buster, tell everybody what you're for. Yes, you drive around in the back of cars in Detroit, and when the people get angry, you come out and growl at them. Is that right? He said, oh, it is. Now, Buster, show them how you can jump and be savage. Come on, Bust! Bust! Buster! Nasty man! Come on, Bust! Bust, 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 Bust! Come on in, Bust! Buster! Buster's going to conceal position. Now, here comes a nasty person. It's Charlie. Here comes Chunky. Buster thinks it's gang warfare. Come on, Bust! Come on in, Bust! Buster says he's not paid enough and is not coming out for anything. Well, there we go. So, never mind. Bust!